Welcome to the Leader Fabrics IBC 2023 Bitesize series, where we look at Leader's JPEG-XS SMPTE 2110-22 implementation. Unlike SMPTE 2110-20, which is an uncompressed video stream, JPEG-XS is a compressed system offering virtually lossless image compression and low latency. Available as a software license upgrade for the Leader LV56 and 7600, the JPEG-XS stream can be analysed and displayed at the same time as SDI and SMPTE 2110-20 uncompressed streams. The status display can show the bitrate of the JPEG-XS streams, along with the JPEG-XS payload header information. If the LV5600/7600 is fitted with the SER32 IP test pattern generator option, then the JPEG-XS test pattern is also available. And this also features the ability to adjust the bit per pixel compression ratio, thus allowing you to test your JPEG-XS circuits. If you'd like to learn more about how JPEG-XS and Leader products are used in live production, then download the live production guide using the QR code currently displayed on the screen. For more information, visit our website at www.leader.co.jp/en.